Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we will see how to install DeepSeek locally on your computer in just 5 minutes. So follow the step. The first step, go to olema.com. Now you can see here is the download option. So download it for Windows. If you have Mac OS or Linux or Windows, then you can download according to your OS. So download for Windows. So once you click download, it will show you like this olema setup.exe. Okay, so it's total I think 775 MB. So once it's downloaded, install it, and once installed, open CMD and type olema. So if you're able to see this screen, that means your Olema is installed successfully. Now the second thing is we have to install DeepSeek. So now once your Olema downloaded successfully, now you can install DeepSeek R1 model. So go to Air model and go to Air DeepSeek R1. Then here you can see like according to your storage, you can download your model. So the latest one is 7671B and it's total 404 GB. So depending on your storage, you can download your model. So I have downloaded this one 7B and total it's 4.7 GB. So what you have to do, just copy it. Okay, just copy this command and go to your console where your Olema downloaded. Now you can see Olema is downloaded. So my screen is visible like this. Now copy it and paste. So I have already downloaded it. So it will show if I hit this command, it will start my DeepSeek R1 model. Okay, so when you will download, it will take 10 to 15 minutes. But I have already downloaded, so it will run directly in my system. Yeah, so if you see, it's started. Okay, so I will write here hi. Okay, so you can see the bot is giving answer. So if I give 2 plus 4 equal to what? Now you can see the bot is able to provide answer. Now, uh, right now we are running this DeepSeek locally on our laptop. But do you? But now as you can see, I'm running DeepSeek locally on my laptop. If you want to run GUI, then you have to install some basic command. So I will show you that. Okay. So what you have to, if you want to install GUI on your laptop, then you have to hit some basic command. So this is the command. I will give you this command in the description. You can download. So the first package you have to install this one. I have already installed, so I am not going to show you. Just what you have to do, how to install. You have copy this command and paste it here. Okay, it will start installing. So right now I am not installing because I have already installed it. Okay, so once you install this all this command, now what you have to do, I have created a separate file for GUI. So what I'm doing, go to my if you see in new volume D drive, I have created one demo file, and here I've kept one demo.py file. So if I show you this code, then what is here? Hmm. So you can see here I can ask questions, okay, and I have imported all these models. So I will give you this code in the description. You can download it from there, okay. So once it's downloaded, what you have to do, just go here and write streamlit run demo.py. Once you run it, you will able to see like they are giving localhost IP address. From this address, you can see your output. Okay. Now here you can see I have downloaded this one. So if I give any command like hi, then see it's running here. It will take time if you are running DeepSeek locally on your system. Then it will take time. Because depend on your CPU, depend on your RAM, the bot will give the answer. If your RAM, if your CPU is fast, then you can get the answer fast only. Okay. That's it. Thank you.